54,000 in the last 30 days. And I did this by selling simple PDF guides with Claude AI. Now I'm gonna show you how exactly I did this step by step so you can go ahead and try it out for yourself. Now, this does not mean you're gonna be some millionaire next week or make 10 grand instantly next month. These are my own personal results. I work hard for them. But this is hands down what I truly believe the simplest process I have ever seen online. So let me show you the exact PDF guide that I sold and also step by step exactly how you can get this set up in less than 15 minutes. Let's go. Now, the first thing you have to understand is this. The niche is the entire game. Most people fail at digital products before they even start because they pick a niche based on what they decide to sell, not based on what people are emotionally desperate to buy. Here's the rule. If a PDF or any digital product is going to sell, I mean really actually sell, it has to solve the problem that a buyer feels in their body. Not a logical problem, an emotional problem. Here's where most people mess up. They pick a niche based on a hunch. They build a whole product around it, they launch it, and then nothing happens because their hunch was wrong. Claude solves that. This is one of the most underused features of Claude that almost nobody talks about. The first thing I did is I opened up Claude and I turn on the web search. And if you're using Claude AI, there's a setting that lets Claude pull live information from the internet. Most people use Claude with this turned off, which is why they think Claude is just a writing tool. With web search on, Claude becomes a research engine. And then I gave it this prompt. Search the web for what high-achieving adults with ADHD are currently struggling with the most. Pull from Reddit threads, recent articles, and social media posts. Give the top 10 specific pain points in their own words. I'll be honest with you, Claude's first pass was not great. The response came back kind of generic. Things like executive dysfunction and task initiation difficulty. What does that even mean? That's textbook language from PhDs and college students. That's not how real people talk about their own pain. So I pushed it harder. I told Claude, do not give me clinical terms. Give me the actual sentences that real people are writing on Reddit and complaining about on Facebook at 1 a.m. when they're frustrated with themselves. And that's when it actually got useful. Look what came back. I can start a project, but I can't finish it. I'm exhausted by 2 p.m. and I haven't done anything that matters. I feel like I'm always behind no matter what I do. That's the actual language that real people are using right now to describe their pain. And whoever solves that pain in a clean, simple way, they get paid. Then I gave Claude the second prompt. Based on those pain points, give me 5 specific PDF concepts that I could build for this audience. For each one, give me a working title and a 1-line description of what's inside. And in about 30 seconds, Claude gave me 5 concepts. The one that I picked was a system for getting most of the important work done in the first 90 minutes of the day, built specifically for the way an ADHD brain processes time and energy. One more prompt to land the title. Rewrite this title to sound emotional, short, punchy, something that a tired person scrolling Instagram at 11 p.m. would actually click on. And the title I landed on, after a bit of back and forth with Claude, was Why Your Brain Will Not Cooperate, and the 90-minute system that fixes it. That title does 3 things at once. 1, it names the pain. It promises a fix, and it tells the buyers that there's a system, which is the word that makes someone with ADHD feel that there's hope. That's what we're building the PDF around. Now we get to the part that Claude was actually built for. I went back to Claude and I gave it this prompt. Watch this. Write me a complete value-packed PDF guide called Why Your Brain Won't Cooperate, in the 90-minute system that fixes it. The audience is high-achieving adults with ADHD. Include an introduction, 6 chapters, real exercises that the reader can do, and a 1-page summary at the end. Make every chapter actionable, no fluff. Now, when I hit enter, you're gonna see here that Claude is writing the entire guide in real time. Look at the chapter structure as it builds. 6 chapters, real exercises, real frameworks, specific routines that someone could implement that same morning. This is the most part that people are missing. I read every word. Because here's the thing, AI is a co-writer, not a ghostwriter. If you sell a PDF that you didn't actually read, eventually someone is going to refund it, leave a bad review, and then your business dies. So you need to read it. You need to sharpen the parts that feel weak. You cut the general parts that feel generic. You add a personal example or 2 if you have one. And this takes me 30 minutes to 60 minutes, 1 hour max, to build a complete PDF guide on a real topic. This same task 5 years ago would have taken a freelance writer a couple $100s and probably 2 weeks to write. Now, once the content is clean, I went to Canva. Watch this part. I pick a simple template like this one. I drop a cover image from a free stock website like Unsplash or Pixels, a clean photo, nothing fancy. I copied it from Claude into a new Canva page, picked a font that wasn't ugly, and I add a subtle color accent onto each chapter header. That's it. There's no designer, there's no agency. The whole design took maybe 90 minutes, and then I export the PDF. So at this point, total time invested, roughly 2.5 hours, and I have a complete, sellable, professional-looking digital product on a topic that millions of people are actively suffering through right now. This is exactly what people don't understand about where we are right now. The economics of digital products have completely flipped. The thing that used to take a team of professionals 4 to 6 weeks now takes one person in one afternoon. And most people have not even realized this yet. And that's the window that we're in. So now you have a product. Where does it live? This is the part where I usually lose people, because then they hear build a sales page and then they freeze up because they go, I don't have any technical experience. I don't know how to build a website. So let me slow down a second, because this part is actually a lot simpler and easier than most people think. I see people make this mistake constantly. They put their PDF on an ugly Etsy or Gumroad or some random marketplace, and then they wonder, why does this not sell? Here's the issue with these platforms. They were built for browsing, not buying. Someone lands on your Gumroad page, they see a PDF, they see that there's no story, there's no experience, there's nothing that makes them feel anything. So then they click off. Selling a digital product is not about having a download link. It's about creating a small experience that makes the buyers believe that this is the thing that's actually going to change something for them. That's why my students use simple, customizable storefront pages, a landing page that you can fully control. There's dozens of tools out there. Personally for me, I like Wix's AI Builder, but pick whichever one is easiest for you. The page is short, it's clean, and the page does 4 things and 4 things only. It names the pain, it names the solution, it shows the buyer what's inside, and then makes the purchase feel safe and easy. That's it. That's the whole sales page. And if you can build that, you can sell the digital product. And if you can't, well, you can't. And no platform is going to save you. Now for this experiment, I built a single page site. Headline at the top, a short paragraph that describes the buyer's pain in their own words, a list of what's inside of the PDF, 6 bullet points, that's it. 3 lines of social proof, and a button. That's the entire page, about 400 words total. Now we get to the part that breaks most people, traffic. Here's the thing, you can have the best PDF on the entire planet, the cleanest page, the sharpest title, none of it matters if nobody sees it. Now here's the good news. The way you get people to see it now is the easiest part of this entire process. I'm going to tell you exactly what my students do. We don't run ads, we don't pay influencers, we don't send cold DMs, we post simple Instagram reels, modeled after content that's already getting massive views in the niche that we're selling into. Here's how it works. Go on Instagram and type in any keyword into the search bar that your buyer could be searching for. Type in productivity, ADHD, focus, get things done, literally anything. You're gonna find videos that have hundreds of thousands of views, maybe even a million views, from simple 30-second videos, 7-second videos, nothing fancy. Now here's the thing, you don't copy them. This is where most people get it wrong. You model after them. Here's what that means. You take the structure of a video that's already working, the hook pattern, the pacing, the type of content, and you make it your own version, your own message, pointing back to your product. Let me get specific about what a modeled reel actually looks like, because this is where people get a little unclear and fuzzy. The format that Lila used was 15 to 30-second clips, except she didn't have a face on camera. Just B-roll, simple text on the screen, and a voiceover. One specific tactic per video that's valuable for her audience. If she was selling in this niche, she would open with something like this. If you keep starting projects and you never finish, here's what actually is happening in your brain. And then you deliver one useful idea in 25 seconds. That's the entire format. Same structure, different content, posted 4 to 5 times a week. Why does this work? Because the Instagram algorithm has already done the testing for you. If a video and pattern is getting millions of views online, that's the algorithm literally telling you in real time, this format works in this niche. Now here's the part that most people miss out. And this is the answer to what I said at the very beginning of this video. Every reel that you post is permanent inventory. Let me show you the math behind this, because this is where it's finally gonna click for you. Say you post one reel and it does 10,000 views. That's very normal these days. Of those 10,000 views, only about 0.5% is actually gonna click and go to your website. That's okay. And out of those 50 people, 2 people buy a $27 ebook. So you made 54 bucks from one video. That's one thing that you did that you're never gonna have to post again. Now post 4 reels. You stack those over the next 30 days, now you got 16 reels working for you. And after a few months, you have over 50 reels working for you. After 6 months, close to 100 reels. And what most people miss, the good ones don't just disappear. They keep the algorithm pushing the winners. And one reel out of every 20 might rack up 100,000 or even 1 million views. One out of every 50 reels is for sure gonna hit 1 million. And every single one of them is quietly running in the background, generating thousands of free views and traffic, selling the same $27 ebook while you're at the gym, you're sleeping, you're spending time with your family. Doesn't matter. $27 ebook sales are clocking in every single day, and that's how you get your first 10 grand. That's exactly how Lila has $900 days. It's just math. You're laying a brick after brick. Every reel stays on the platform, each one working for you to generate views and sales. Now I'll be very honest about something. This is not some magical trick. Claude doesn't press a button and money falls out of your phone. You still have to pick a niche. You still have to read the PDF. You have to design the page. and you have to post the reel. But the thing that used to take a team, a writer, a designer, a marketer, an ad budget, is now just one person and a couple of free tools in an afternoon. And I've watched over 3,000 students go through the system in every niche that you can imagine: gaming, fitness, friendship, addiction recovery, parenting, language learning. Different people, different niches, same pattern. And the pattern right now is this: the cost of building a digital product has completely collapsed. The traffic mechanism is sitting in everyone's pocket. The infrastructure to sell one is essentially free, and almost nobody is acting on it yet. The people who notice patterns early build different lives. That's the whole thing. When Sean was a full-time nurse and he did this, he was working 60 hours a week in the hospital. He had no interest in becoming a creator. He just wanted income. 4 months later, he did 105,000, and that's how he was able to quit his job. The only difference is they had access to the system. That's it. So if you want to see the whole system that Lila and Sean used, including the part that I did not have enough time to cover in this video, which is the exact funnel, the exact website setup, and the exact way to scale a PDF into a real digital product business, I put together a full training here that walks you through all of it. It's the first link in the description. It's also right here. It's free. There's no catch. Just tap on this video right here, watch what's useful, and execute and take action on the rest. So tap on this video right here, and I'll see you on the other side.